Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day. You are in a new environment with me. We are in my bedroom. This is my closet, and today's video is going to be all about Febreze. Yes. Today I am partnering with Febreze. This is like a dream partnership for me because I love their products. And today we shall talk about a product that I've been using and loving a lot. It is their Febreze Small Spaces. And I've been using it in my closet. I've been using it in my linen closet. I've also been using it in my downstairs bathroom to scent a small space, and I've been loving it. So if you'd like to learn more, make sure you just keep watching. I'd love if you leave a comment and let me know what you use to scent your home these days. For me, it's been Febreze. It's been Febreze for a very long time now, many years. I started using Febreze back in the day when I was a dancer because, I mean, let's face it, I'm a perfumista, but we all have stinky moments, right? With clothes that we've worn, or for me it was my dance shoes that I was wearing all the time, my collection of dance shoes. So you always want to keep your household and your clothing and your personal items fresh and smelling clean and smelling good. It just gives you like a confident boost, and it really does change your mood. Fragrance changes how you feel. That's why I'm super happy to be bringing this type of video to you, because I'm obsessed, and I've been obsessed for a really long time. And I believe that you love Febreze too. I have a major package downstairs from Febreze. They sent me some product that I can share with you guys. I'm going to be testing out some different products from Febreze. So if there's anything specific that you'd like to see, let me know. And let's go downstairs to my kitchen. Also, all of the products that I'll be showing you here today, I will be linking them in the description should you decide to shop or learn more. I'll also be leaving a little bit of educational pieces from Febreze because I think it's super important to be transparent about ingredients, how products work. I just think it's really important, especially when we're talking about scenting your home and scenting your clothes. So let's go to my kitchen. Welcome into the house. I am going to show you the package, which is right here. Let me show it to you. Okay, so here we have all the Febreze goodies. Yay, we have so much stuff in here. Here we have the small spaces, which I want to explore. We have a couple of them. This one came with two. This is the Gain Scented small spaces. We also have the Unstoppable small spaces, which I want to use. I've actually been using the Gain Scented small spaces in my closet, so it's perfect timing. We have some Unstoppables here. This is a plug-in, which I've never used before from Febreze, so I'm excited to try this as well. We have an air freshener. This is one of their air products. Oh, then we have fabric. I am super excited to try. This is the Ocean scent. And when it comes to picking out scents, tried the Gain. Tried the Gain before, so I know how that one smells. And here are some other ones. This is Unstoppables, which I'm super excited about because I love laundering my clothes with the Unstoppables. This one is with Downy. And last but not least, we have the Paradise Unstoppables, which I have not tried yet. If there is a specific fragrance that you want me to talk about, I can definitely do that. Please just leave it in the comments below. But for now, we're going to take Unstoppables upstairs and we're going to put it in my closet. I'm excited about that. Hello and welcome to my closet. It is indeed a small space. If you can just take a look at that right there. I have my clothing in here. I have some linens down below. It's a typical closet. Shoes here as well. And what I really enjoy about Febreze small spaces is that you can keep your stuff fresh without like having to spray air freshener within your closet. It's such a nice treat to open up the closet and have it smelling good and fresh. And just so you can see, well, before I partnered with Febreze on this post. I already had this in my closet and it's empty. There's only a little bit of juice left in there. So we're going to open this one up right now and I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the Gain one. We're going to get rid of it. Still smells good even to the very last bit, but it's time to let it go. Let's open up this one. This is in the scent called Fresh. They also have like a little scratch and sniff thing where you can scratch it and smell the fragrance before you purchase. It's very simple to use. The directions are as follows. Remove it from the package, obviously. Then you have to firmly push the light blue button on the back side using both thumbs. So here is that light blue button and we're just going to press it firmly. It's firmly pressed. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm obsessed. It says the scent is gradually released, which I'm already starting to smell it. So now that it's firmly pressed, I am going to place it back in my room, in my closet, I mean. This, I'm like as happy as can be because I use Unstoppables on my laundry and one of my favorite things in life to do is laundry. So once my laundry is all clean and I put it in the closet, like I just like opening it and smelling like my beautiful linens and how fresh everything smells. So now I have that with this and it completes my picture. So let's put it in. Also something too that's rather awesome about this particular Small Spaces by Febreze is that you can kind of stick them anywhere, right? So we're gonna put that all the way back there so it's not super obvious. And yeah, that's it. Shout out to Febreze with this heavy duty fabric spray. I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. I use it on my robes and I like to use it on clothing that I wear quite often, but I don't get to wash as often as I probably should. It smells amazing, and this one is in the Crisp Clean fragrance. Some other important deeds about Small Spaces is they last for 45 days, although I feel like the one that I had here, which was the Gain Small Spaces, I feel like it lasted a little bit longer than that. And again, there's still a little teeny bit in here and it's still smelling up a small space. I think this product is great for closets. I love it for in my linen closet in the bathroom, which is a very tiny space. I would show it to you, but it's super tiny in there. But again, perfect nonetheless. I also like it for where like stinky odors kind of hang out, maybe a shoe closet or maybe right by the garbage in the kitchen. You know, it just works really well to get rid of malodors, which we hate, despise. Scenting your home in a really wonderful way can definitely enhance your mood and give you a boost of energy. It could also relax you, which is why I'm super happy that Febreze has an assortment of different fragrances to choose from. So something else that's really important, and I have my laptop here because I'm actually on the Febreze site, is that they're super transparent about the ingredients that they use in each product. I think that is so important. You know, you want to make sure that the products that you're using in your household, on your body, around your family are safe. And Febreze is really setting the standard for safety and air care in the home, which we love. So thank you so much for watching this video. I definitely hope that you enjoyed it. This is kind of something new for the both of us, me showing you my home, bringing you into my space. But if you love this type of content and you want to see more content like it, home fragrance, showing you around the home, definitely like this video. Leave a comment and let me know what you liked about it. And also, I'm super curious to know, do you use Febreze in your household? I want to know. Shout out to Febreze for sponsoring this video. I love you forever. Guys, I will be linking all of the products that I've shown here today in this video in the description box below should you want to shop, discover, or learn more. I'll also be leaving the Febreze no list in the description so that you can find out the ingredients that are absolutely 100% not in any Febreze products. I think it's super important to do your research as always when you're testing, buying, trying, or even loving new product. Love you forever, my friends. Don't forget to watch what's up next, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!